Gold is now trading around $99.940. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, we have seen that there is a gap up happened. Okay, and we have seen the price is trading around 4100 levels. Right now, what we have to see, the major resistance zone is 4100 and the price is touching that particular zone. The next move could be explosive or buyer preparing for breakout towards 4120 or higher, or this is just a relief rally before seller slams gold back to 4050 or even 4000. Here is the problem. Over the next 2 days, the market is preparing for major US events, including Federal Reserve decision. Okay, so in this video, I'll break down the exact levels I'm watching, the bullish and the bearish scenario, my game plan for the next 48 hours. If you see, the price is trading around 40.99 as of now. On the short term chart, we can see the key battle is happening between 4220 or 4100. We have seen buyer defend the lower part of this range, but every time gold approaches the resistance, the seller started waiting and then we see it comes down. When price compresses a near major zone, the eventual breakout can be violent. Okay, if you see from this perspective, we have seen that the price is trading in this zone. This is a 2 hours chart where you'll see that there is a pattern form and then a downfall. This gap is there. What we have seen that if the gap started falling, that means the price started falling below 40.87, we will see this gap can be filled, and this gap can come down towards 40.82, then to a level of 40.70, and if the price fall below this level, we can see it can come down towards 40.58. Okay, and if it started going below this level, we can see a level of 40.47, then to a level of 40.40, and once started going below this level, we can see a level of 40.23. But suppose if it started rising, it can come up towards 4100 to a level of 4102 to a level of 4107. Then there will be a zone breakout towards an upside, so chances of touching 4111 can be seen, and then it will move towards 4115, which is today's high. And then this pattern support an upside, so chances are high it can go towards 4121 to a level of 4140, and then it can break out towards a level of $4166. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But if it started coming down, it can come down towards a level of around $40.83. From there, a further fall can be seen towards 40.70, and then this gap can be filled. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, we can see that the price is trying to go upside, but as of now, we have seen overall trend is still down. If you see from a perspective of 2 hours chart, now I'll show you a more higher time frame where you'll understand more clearly how the price is moving. If you see on a day-wise chart, we have seen the price is trading around $40.98. If the price started going upside, we can see the price can touch towards a higher level of around 41.23. From there, a level of $44. And if that sustained, we can see it can go towards $41.65. This is the pattern it is showing. And if that rises, we can see a level of 41.80 to a level of 4200. So trailing your SL is important by around $10 to $15. So at least you'll capture upside movement. But if it started coming down, it can come down towards 40.76, then to a level of 40.40, and from there a further fall can be seen towards $40.24. Then a further fall can be seen towards 44,000, so which is the level where we can see the price can come down. Trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture downside as well as upside movement. So once started rising up this level, we can see a level of 41.22 to a level of 41.44, and then from there a level of 41.67. Okay, then a further upside can be seen. Best what you can do is trail your SL when the price started going up 4100, or once started falling below 40.50, again trail your SL towards downs.